Hello friends, today we are going to see the problem related with the bending moment and shear force diagram. So the problem is a simply supported beam of 8 meter long carries a 2-point load of 30 kN and 40 kN from 3 meter and 5 meter from its left support. So first we draw the simply supported beam. This is simply supported beam. So A point and B point. So this is 8 meter long. So total distance is 8 meter. So 2 point loads from 30 kilonewton and 40 kilonewton from 3 meter and 5 meter from its left support. So this is left support. So we have one point load of 30 kilonewton. So the distance is 3 meter, and 5 meter we have another point load of 40 kilonewton. So this is 2 meter. So total is 5 meter. So then in addition, the UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter in between 2 point loads. So there is a UDL, uniformly distributed load, so of 10 kilonewton per meter at in between the point loads. So find the bending moment and shear force diagram and maximum bending moment. So from this case, first we have to find out the reaction RA and RB. So name this point as C and this point as D. So find RA, RB. So we can take moment about RB. Moment about B. So the force, this is a point load. So RA into 8 meter. This is positive force because of clockwise, and this point load is anti-clockwise, so minus 30 into the distance is total is 8 meter, so this is 3 meter. 30 into 5, again we have another point load minus 40 into 3 meter minus, again we have UDL, so 10 into 2 into distance by 2, so 2 by 2 plus this 3 meter equal to 0. So now RA equal to, so solving this formula, so we can get RA is equal to 43.75 kilonewton. So again we know RA plus RB. So sum of upward equal to sum of downward. So RA plus RB is equal to 30 plus 10 into 2 plus 40. So we know RA value is 43.75. So we solving this equation, RB is equal to 46.25 kilonewton. So now we find out the RA plus RB. Next we move to shear force. So shear force, we can draw the beam diagram. So shear force at A. So shear force at A, it's a positive. Shear force at A, left side there is no force, and right side we have RA force. So RA equal to 43.75. So this is clockwise, so RA is equal to 43.75. Again SF at C. So SF at C, we have 43.75. Again we have point load at 30. So this is anti-clockwise. So minus 30 equal to 13.75. So this is 43.75. So still we have 43.75, and after that minus 30 we can get 13.75. So next one, SF at D, left side we have UDL, so 13.75. again this is anti-clockwise, so minus 10 into 2. So now we have minus 6.25. So 6.25 is minus, so here this 6.25. So again, SF at D right side we have minus 6.25, again minus 40 equal to 46.25. So minus 46.25. So right side 46.25. From that B left side same 46.25. So again at the end we have 0. So this is shear force diagram. So this is positive and this is negative. So after that we can go for bending moment diagram. Now the bending moment diagram. So BMD. So bending moment at A equal to 0, because in simply supported beam both ends are bending moments are 0, and the bending moment at C, so we have only one point load, so 43.75 into 3 meter equal to 131.25 kilonewton meter. So then bending moment at D, this is A, C, D and B. So bending moment at D, we have 43.75 into, so D distance, so total 5 minus, this is positive and these forces are negative, so 30 into 2 meter, again minus 10 into 2 meter into 2 into 2 divided by 2, because load into distance by 2. So the bending moment is 138.75 kilonewton meter. This is positive bending moment. And bending moment at B equal to 0, because in simply supported beam both ends are 0. So now we can draw the diagram. This is A, this is point B, then C point and D point. So from that point load we can get 131.25. Again from this point 138.75. So this is straight lines, both lines are straight, and we have here we have UDL, so it's parabolic. So from that we have to know we have to find out the maximum bending moment. So maximum bending moment, so maximum bending moment lied at where the shear force is 0. Shear force sign will be 0, the maximum bending moment will be occur there. So for maximum bending moment x equal to h by udl. So this is simplified formula, we can easily get the maximum bending moment. So distance of maximum bending moment, the h is the distance 13.75. So from the shear force diagram, so from the shear force we have 13.75. so 13.75 is the height and this is the distance of x. So divided by, we have the UDL of 10, so 10 equal to 1.375 meter. Here from here 1.375 meter, so we can get the maximum bending moment. So from this point we can take the more bending moment. So maximum bending moment equal to, so from here we can take the maximum bending moment. So bending moment at this point as E, So bending moment at E equal to, so 30 kilonewton into 1.375. This is also negative moment, and minus 10 into 1.375 into 1.375 divided by 2, because distance force into distance by 2. So again we have another load, positive 43.75 into 4.375, because this 3 meter and plus 1.375, total is 4.375. So the bending moment maximum equal to solving the above equation, so 140.70 kilonewton meter. So this is the method to solving the problem of bending moment and shear force diagram.